Family strife and division aroused by jealousy. The seventh attempt, Saul tried to kill David. Listen to this intro and let's get right into this video. When God gives you that peace, you will rest in His security, His protection, His comfort, His love. Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today we're going to be talking about 1 Samuel chapter 19 verses 11 to 17. We're dealing with the seventh attempt that King Saul tried to kill David. But we also see the family strife and division aroused by jealousy within the family. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. Verse 11, and it reads, Then Saul sent troops to watch David's house. They were told to kill David when he came out the next morning, but Michal, David's wife, warned him, If you don't escape tonight, you will be dead by morning. So she helped him climb out through a window, and he fled and escaped. Then she took an idol and put it in his bed, covered it with the blanket, and put a cushion of goat hair at its head. When the troops came to arrest David, she told them that he was sick and couldn't get out of bed. But Saul sent the troops back to get David. He ordered, Bring him to me in his bed so I can kill him. But when they came to carry David out, they discovered that it was only an idol in the bed with a cushion of goat's hair at its head. Why have you betrayed me like this? Let my enemy escape, Saul demanded of Michal. I had to, Michal replied. He threatened to kill me if I didn't help him. So David escaped and went to Ramah to see Samuel, and he told him all that Saul had done to him. Then Samuel took David with him to live at Naioth. When the report reached Saul that David was in Naioth in Ramah, he sent troops to capture him. But when they arrived and saw Samuel leading a group of prophets who were prophesying, the Spirit of God came upon Saul's men, and they also began to prophesy. When Saul heard what had happened, he sent other troops, but they too prophesied. The same thing happened a third time. Finally, Saul himself went to Ramah and arrived at the great well of Sukkah, where Samuel and David, he demanded. They are at Naioth in Ramah. Someone told him, but on the way to Naioth in Ramah, the Spirit of God came even upon Saul, and he too began to prophesy all the way to Naioth. He tore off his clothes and laid naked on the ground all day and all night, prophesying in the presence of Samuel. The people who were watching exclaimed, What? Is even Saul a prophet? This is God's holy word. Let's go back up to what we'll see is the seventh attempt to kill David and the family strife and division aroused by jealousy from 11 to 17. The first topic is Saul sent some men to watch David's house to kill him. So we also see in these verses, Michal warned David, helped him escape. Michal warned David and helped him escape. How so? She let him down through a window. She put an idol under the bed covering to deceive the assassins. And she also claimed that David was ill, unable to get up. What we also see in these verses, assassins back to arrest David, even if he was ill. Look at the jealousy that is played in here. How he wanted to kill him, no matter if he was sick, no matter who he was married to, but he wanted him dead. Michal's deception was discovered by the men. Saul questioned Michal about her deception. We see that. And Saul's question was, why has she deceived him? Michal responded, David had threatened her and forced her to lie, but she was really actually helping him out. She knew that David was innocent and that Saul was operating out of jealousy and just wanted to kill him, and knew that she probably didn't know, and nobody knew, but she knew that he wasn't operating in an honorable spirit, in a holy spirit. So she helped him escape, and we see that. So I hope you enjoyed it. The next video is going to be the eighth attempt to kill David. Repeated rebellion against God's spirit aroused by jealousy even more. In 1 Samuel chapter 19, verse 18 to 24. I will see you over in the next video. God bless you and God bless your family.